Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Skype, make calls, and send messages step by step clearly. First, connect your phone or computer to a stable internet connection. Open the Skype app on your device, or go to Skype.com in your web browser. If you do not have Skype installed, download it from the official Microsoft Store, App Store, or Google Play. Launch Skype and wait for the sign-in screen to appear. Click or tap the sign-in button to start the login process. Enter your Microsoft account email, phone number, or Skype name in the field. Select Next to continue to the password step. Type your password carefully, paying attention to uppercase and lowercase letters. Select Sign in to access your Skype account. If you see a prompt to stay signed in, choose Yes for personal devices or No for shared devices. If two-step verification is enabled, enter the security code sent to your phone or email. Allow any requested permissions, such as microphone and camera access, so calls will work properly. On the home screen, check the profile icon to confirm you are signed in to the correct account. To add a contact, select Contacts and then choose Add New Contact. Search for the person by name, email, or Skype name and open their profile. Select Add to Contacts, and if needed, send a short request message. To send a message, open Chats and select the contact or conversation you want. Click the message box at the bottom of the chat window. Type your message and press Enter or tap the send icon. To send a photo or file, select the attachment or plus icon in the chat. Choose the file from your device and confirm to share it in the conversation. To start a voice call, open the chat with your contact and select the call button. To start a video call, select the video button and ensure your camera is uncovered. During the call, use the microphone icon to mute or unmute yourself. Use the camera icon to turn video on or off during a call. Use the speaker icon to control audio output and choose the correct device if available. If you want to make a call to a phone number, open the dial pad and enter the number with country code. Before calling phones, make sure you have Skype credit or an active subscription if required. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.